Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy with Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Shells Running. Let's start with your reading, okay? Timeless. Whoa, so there's no water in the cup, there's no water in the glass. Got the message as if like someone is clarifying something to someone, and it's like emotions over. It was like someone is holding the cup. Here you have water and someone is splashing that on someone's face. So we don't like it, of course, but as in symbolism form, something as in like wake up. So someone is like waking up from that, whatever it is. Clarity coming, some talk coming, or via connection something is coming, message coming. Now I'm not saying oh hi, but it's not the same, okay? It's dramatic, like the way I'm telling you hi. No, it's not that. But you have Ace of Swords energy, some breakthrough, clarification coming in your life, and definitely disconnected with the overwhelming situations. It's like you're going to realize, oh, it was never like that. Oh, I thought that. Oh, they never thought that. So this may be any connection in your life, connections, twin flames, soulmates, whatever your connection was or is. Someone's defenses are so up, like yours or the other person's energy. It's like they are not ready to take that opportunity. They are not ready to, go in that greeting form. This may be your energy. Someone is not at all on the side of like, oh, you came. No. Okay, yes, my actions or my gesture is dramatic. Yes, because it does happen. Yes, because people overreact sometimes to situations. However, you have on the cut side King of Cups. So maybe this is all about Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Maybe someone is feeling overwhelmed. Maybe communication initiation here. Someone does want to talk, but it's also about self-respect. Okay, it's also about your tiara. It's about your crown. Do they want to talk? Yes, they want. But I see here a wake up. I see here that possibly if it's from your side or you're going to get a wake up. Waking up from some emotions or deep emotions here. Someone is waking up. Oh, I thought this all along. Oh, I thought, Page of Cups energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Piscean in particular as well. It's a handshake also. It's a friendly hi as well. You might receive, you might hear out, you might receive a message here, 3 of Wands, you might send, but they are not replying. They are hung. I'm also getting this energy of like, what should I do with this cup? So I feel like some of you might be doing exactly, I don't know, it's very embarrassing at times, like throwing the water on someone's face kind of energy vibe that is their channeling. I don't want to edit it, I don't want to sugarcoat it. That's the energy form that is coming. And it's like, so maybe someone did something. It's like a clash that's going to open up and way emotional, and someone gonna find out fishy. And the realization here, especially about emotions. So you may end up hearing from someone or a message may come. Yes, but what you're going to do, that's your thing. It feels as though after the fall, someone is giving you the cup. But when they are giving you the cup or it's being presented to you, it feels though to you not necessary, or it feels though to you not that emotional because it feels though like it's on your face. So it's drenched, okay? Or maybe you're doing that. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Hurry. Hurry. They said hurry. Hurry in certain decision. Okay, hurry whatever you do. Or maybe someone is in hurry. Knight of Wands energy. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Maybe just a collab. However, as in channeling the message, someone who's going to contact you, rush towards you, want to express something to you. There may be a choice as well. Someone is tired of dragging here something or keeping inside. Someone is too much in head here. 10 of Wands and 8 of Swords energy. End up doing something. Someone will end up doing something. Maybe someone is feeling that they are in your head, okay, like you're thinking about them, but that's not the case exactly. There's the opposite something happening here. Something stresses you out. Even the message that is not coming is stressing you out, okay. You want everything to, you're in a hurry, okay. Your energy is also in a hurry. Come on, take that cup and give a splash to yourself. Flashback. Visiting the flashback. Hurry. Flashback. Hurry. Hurry and clear the flashback. That's possible. That's your energy. Well, 4 of Pentacles. Stuck energy. Need to come out of that. This may be the energy of someone who is in someone's thoughts here and rushes back. It's like, can't lose you. So a flashback energy. Hurry. Someone is in a hurry. If this is not your energy, they are rushing back towards you in order to express something that they are keeping close to their heart and they are not letting it out, or they never did it. A compact person. A compact and very complicated person. Okay, you might have dealt. Disturbance. I heard disturbance, and you also have 5 of Swords. This is disturbance. I feel this ended, transition, okay. This is also something that's over, that's resting in peace, and someone over here is trying to give life to that, or will try. 5 of Swords. Chaos or line that's drawn, and feeling wounded or empty because someone is not talking. 9 of Pentacles. It's about someone's pride here, or someone over here is single and doesn't want to get mingled. Okay, 10 of Pentacles. This card is telling me whatever you want to take it as, but they said unsure. Unsure about commitment, unsure about the commitment right now you're in, unsure about whatever is going, where it is going, okay? Because there is this hurry, flashback, and someone is unsure. Unsure possible about the offering. Someone doesn't want to get into this draggy relationship, I feel. So this may be something new you are experiencing, or something that you already dealt with. So here you go, Ace of Swords energy. Initiation, breakthrough is coming, decision is coming. Nothing's going to be 50-50 here. Someone should not expect so much from the other energy here, okay? You have the letter. Okay. It's coming reverse though, but it's a letter. Someone's gonna be like, I don't know. Take it. It's like, take it back. Return it. Like you're sending it back. Like it's coming and you're like not accepting it. Someone over here is not accepting. Unsure. Okay? Unsure of the feelings even. Whatever is in there, in the message, in the email, in the letter, someone is sending, but they're not returning the communication back to you, or you are not doing it. Sorrow. This particular thing is the reason for someone's sorrow or sadness, or for you. If this was not returned to you, then prison. Someone is still not out of prison, okay? They're in there, but they need to come out. So when this phase will be over, when this is going to be out, okay, you're going to be out of it, You need to either complete this in order to get over something, okay? It's like you need to come out of the prison. But how you can when you clear this stuff out? If they don't reply, or you are not doing it, this may go anyways, vice versa. But whatever is, it is surrounded with communication that is not even coming, that is not getting clarified, not being reciprocated here from either side. That's why this energy is about prison, okay? Whoa, okay, fine. What? They're saying don't be wrong, okay? Don't be wrong. So don't be wrong on your part at least. Don't do anything, because I always say be responsible for your karma, and I'm having a heavy breath. Don't be wrong on your part. Whatever you are doing, just clarify it slow and steady. Don't be in a hustle, okay? There is something that is hitting you, flashback is there, or someone from flashback like memory. They are in a hurry to talk something out. Take it slow. I know that it is very confusing here because you're feeling compact. Maybe it's just the weight of the letter, or weight of the email, or weight of the message, and it's not coming. But I feel whatever is happening here, Ace of Swords is though coming from some side. Stay happy, cheerful, okay? Or maybe someone is just not, they're not in the situation to acknowledge, oh, how can they be happy? It's also envy. I don't know whether they are envy of you, someone is, or you are. If this is happening, please let it go. Slow down. This energy is very heavy here. I know it's very weird, but it is heavy. Okay, some of you are, oh, the cup is coming though. This could be the one. The cup is coming though. But how it is coming? Are you ready? Pay attention to the red flags. How it is coming. Is it a pattern? Is something new? Is something old? As per your situation, the signs are cautioning you. Definitely there is attraction. Someone is attracted towards you, messaging you, flirting with you, expecting something, but you are like, many of your energies, I don't know if it is, like your energy is like, it's like, I don't know, with a, now what should I do about this communication? What should I do about this, whatever, I feel draggy. Because someone over here is not opening, not reacting, okay? So, getting to know each other. Oh, okay. Some of your situation is about, it's exactly like the, what should I do about this? Don't do anything about this. Just let it flow. The reason is that you need to take notice of some things in the meantime. Take notice of something in the meantime. Getting to know each other is also about, take it slow. Please. Okay, as you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. In this form, this card is telling you that you're going to know about them. If you already know, you're going to know more about them. And the recording time goes 13:13, which is about the endings and the beginnings. So if it's something that ended and is beginning new, then take time. If something ended and now beginning from that scratch, then also, because let go of control issues. There's like, release your confinements, okay? Basically. Don't think, overthink too much, okay? Just see what is in front of you. It's like living in the moment though, yeah, if you can handle it. Some people cannot, okay? Some people can. What's wrong? I don't wanna fight with you. Boombi, boombi. Death and rebirth is a card that is coming. Interesting, no? The Seer's Tarot. Number 13, as I said, 1313. But with the death and rebirth, something is changing in your life. Change in the past. Past is returning. Ending is happening. Beginnings will happen. Page of Wands, receiving the message. Going with the flow. Not feeling uneasy. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, you may receive it, or this may be just the energy flow of feeling free for something. King of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, stabilizing yourself, okay? It's like not overthinking about some matter here. That's what your energy is. Ten of Swords, not overthinking. Let them pass, let them go. Let this energy and overthinking go from your head. Page of Cups is here, definitely it's a repeat of something. Someone is here. So if they are in the frame, good. If they go, then just let them go. It's like the energy, they're trying to be sure about themselves first. Very interesting. But with this, Don't overthink about your actions here, okay? I'm not saying that you need not to be responsible. There's a difference. Don't barge in and say, you said that. No, you need to be responsible for your karma. Where your energy is heading, honey. What are you doing? Are you getting drained yourself, or overthinking about something? This may be the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Oh God. Oh. If this is something you know or you don't know, I don't know. But this energy is something, a magical approach, okay? Why I'm saying that? There is instinct. There is death and rebirth. There is someone who is stiffing you. There is your wolf coming. There's your partner coming. This may be through the source. This may be the friend of the wolf is giving them the signal. Look, your love is there. Interesting reading. Not taking calls. Someone over here is not taking calls because something is over. Not returning the message, not taking the calls, you or the other energy. That's why death and rebirth. Ending and the beginnings. See brighter thing in this ending, okay? And you're going to realize later on, oh, that happened, right? Like for example, someone's ex, okay? You cry, you have tears, you say that, oh my God, that was love of my life. Yes, it was. But something happened. They're not in your life. They chose someone else, or they just moved on. They betrayed you, they cheated, yes. Divorce happened, separation happened, you cried, yes. They were not taking your calls, or vice versa. Then later in the time frame, you realize that after like 1 year or 2 years, suppose, it depends upon people to people, time frames. You realize, whether you are acknowledging it or not right now, I don't know, but you're going to realize, okay, if I was with them, this person would never have come in my life. If that makes sense, my degrees. So there is something, someone is not taking someone's call, and someone is surprised, definitely. You're very happy, let me tell you. Your energy is like whatever is happening, that's side by side, but you are very happy with your position. You're feeling light. You're not taking that seriously, everything here. It works good. It doesn't good. It works good. Baby, I don't want to let you go. There's a signal someone is sending. It's time to clarify, it's time to talk, it's time that someone is sending the message, but also someone not taking the calls, but they are sending you that signal. Maybe it's time that they are cracking up now. Okay, now they are cracking up. What about me? It's like you might be thinking, I know it's dramatic, but it's kind of energy that comes through. Like, okay, I have feelings for that person, I have affection, but does that mean that I need to, hurt my pride? Like, it's kind of energy. Oh, they're giving me signal as if I was waiting for years for them. I have life. But it's time. It's time of a sudden contact. It's time of something that you're going to do or they're going to do. What the reaction will be, I don't know, because there is a reverse of a lot of stuff, okay? Don't expect too much, or they should not expect too much. Okay, I love you. I see you. Enjoy yourself. Stay light. Create yourself. Become yourself, whatever you are working on. Because these things will come and go, of course. We're going to cry, but then we are going to be okay. Okay? I'm going to be okay. I don't want anyone to cry. But we do cry. We do cry. I don't want anyone to cry. We do. Oh, honey. Oh. Disagreeable zone with this person. King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So bye guys, I love you, see you soon. Ta-da! Okay, I was just picking myself up. Bye.